Well, it's Anthony here again from Hypercuby. Okay, we've got a new product to show off today. So this one's here is actually called a Flatcuby Lite. It's a little bit different to those you might have seen before if you've seen previous videos. By the way, let's take a bit of a look at it. But it's got the sort of things that you'd be expecting. We've got the very solid frame. A lot of buildings don't actually have that. It's got the good solid door that you come to expect from Hypercuby. You've seen in other videos, but one difference that you will see from previously that I've done is this one here has actually got internalised guttering and downpipes. So that if you take a bit of a look at it, you can't really see in great detail, but down here, inside here, we've actually got the downpipe already in there. No need to add extra. No need to add anything extra. The downpipe is already in there. The guttering is already in there. You can see it just sort of like running across the top of the frame there. So it's a little bit more to it than you'd normally get. Something else that you would have seen from previous videos, it's worth mentioning again, is we've got the really good plug and play system here. Okay, so no big hassle. People sort of say to me, oh, how do I get the electrics into the building? Easy. It's so easy because, well, in goes the power. There it is. Plugs in there. The whole building now inside has got its power for the lights, for everything else you need, power points, all that kind of stuff. Okay. Let's take a bit of a look around again. Here we have our aircon. We've got a few different options with aircon. This one here, we've got a nice solidly mounted system here. It's just a standard wall unit. Does the job though really well, and it's very solidly attached. I can't really move that at all. I'm sort of shaking that, but nothing's happening. Okay. All right. We've got the sliding window. We'll have another look at that when we go inside. Here's our sliding window with our fly screen all there. Let's take a bit of a look inside. We'll have a look at, and we'll see something that's a little bit different as well about this building. Once again, we see the door, in we go. Okay, so as we go in here, the very first thing we see is that it's actually, yeah, look, it's one building, but we've actually got this lovely screen here. You might not be see it well. Maybe if I bang it like that, you can see it better. A bit of a reflection, but other than that, you won't really know it's there. But there must be a reason why we actually have this screen, and the reason is that this is a COVID-safe room. Really great for nursing homes, medical establishments as well. This is a COVID-safe room. I can sit in here. I can be the nursing home patient, for example. On the other side, my relatives, I've seen them for the very first time, maybe in months, I'm not sure exactly, but maybe not since around about February, March, I'm not sure the last time I saw them, but I'm seeing them again now. And I can see them because they have a COVID-safe room that they can actually look at each other in. Okay? Right, so there it is. They're in there, I'm in here, and it's safe. No virus can get through, nothing can work through. Okay, let's take a look at what else we've got around here. Now we saw the aircon from the other side. Here's the other side of it. It was in the wall there. It's in the other wall. I'm coming through here. Well, I suppose what you'd expect. It's a good kelvinator system. It's not actually turned on right now, but easy enough to do. Okay, and it'll work for you, it'll survive. Does the walls well, because we're going to be using very good solid walls, reliable walls, reliable structure in general. In fact, you could say you may as well get a good system of aircon in your building, and you do. There we go. That deals with that one. Okay, what have we got? What do you expect? PowerPoints? Yep. We've got, I mentioned the window before, didn't I? I've got a sliding screen there, sliding window, sliding screen, so probably have to open it from this end, don't I? But yeah, there we go. Hang on, I think it's probably locked at the other end there. We got it. Hang on, is it opening? Nope. Just a moment. There we go. Finally good there. So there you go. We've got sliding like that. Lockable, great lockable window. Okay. So we'll put it back in, and it locks up again. Okay, You get here, finally, I suppose you get a good solid switchboard. We've got aircon both ends, so the switchboard is actually into sort of like, it's got mains plus 3 other switches there, including our aircon. And look, it's a good brand. Look, we're going to give you good brands for stuff. If you're going to put something in here, because it's a good solid building, it's a building built to last, we're going to give you electrical, facilities and so on that are built to last as well. So it's a quality act, this. Right from the floating floors at the bottom, if you walk in with muddy shoes like I did this morning, okay, it rubs out, it washes off really easily. So this won't be an issue at all. It's washable, it's waterproof, and that'll just basically, we'll get rid of that quite easily. No problems with that as well. Okay, everything really which you'd expect. The skirting boards, well, they're standard. Architraves up there, well, they're standard as well. All of this comes standard, all those things. The aircon is like an optional extra, but most of what you're seeing here is coming standard. This thing here, we can coach you on that, just to get this, something like this added in, some sort of perspex screen like that, that do the job for you. But what it really does show you is how easy it is to take something like a Hypercuby, like this one here is a Flatcuby Lite, okay, and change it into what you want it to be. You might not need it to be exactly the way it is here, but many people will. This is going to be useful. This type of thing is going to be what a lot of people, I think, will need. To be able to see their relatives deal with the current situation, the current problems in a way that's practical, useful, and affordable. Okay, all right. Well, thanks so much for listening. Okay, all right. I'll see you next time.